talk about after-school detention. What do I mean by that? Put your phone up.
It's on a Friday because nobody wants to stay after on Friday.
Did you raise your hand?
Yes.
No. You put your glass to your mouth, and I told you not to be chewing ice in my assembly.
I'm not. I'm just drinking. I'm just drinking.
Put the phone away. Put the phone away. Put the phone away. Turn the phone off. Turn it off.
Jeez, Lily, turn it off.
Is that Snapchat? You do know that inappropriate things have been sent to that app. Now back to the assembly. Okay, when the teacher tells you to be quiet, what do you do? When the teacher tells you to be quiet, what do you do? You do not chew ice.
Scratch your nose.
You chew that ice.
Hey, you got it. You got it.
Hey guys, it's
I meant to
me.
get ice. Okay.
Hey guys, it's me. I was just vlogging
Mama, turn your
to
vlogs
let
off.
you guys know that these people
Your YouTube fam hates you.
are really stupid.
Lily, did you see what Ryan did?
Okay, hey, my name is Mr. Degraff.
Mr. Bigger,
Mr. Wilson
What are you-
decided it.
Mr. Wilson, will.
Okay, so back to my original question. When a teacher tells you to be quiet, what do? You do not
Quiet.
do not play skip flute. When a teacher tells you to be quiet or to sit down or not to play his fife, what do you do?
Be quiet and not play your flute or fife or stuff.
Very good. Do not get away from the projector. What do you do? What would you do if a child was standing right in front of you? Stop! What would you do if he was choking?
Are you joking? Are you first ask